Chill on Mike. What? I have another very cool idea. Mike. Mike, thank you so much for the 30. Mike, thank you for the 30 euros for charity. Thank you. Thank you.